Hello class, how are you today?
Hello,
Hello,
Miss.
Miss.
I'm
I'm
Hello,
good.
good.
Miss.
How about
How
you?
about you?
All right, I'm good. Thank you for asking. Glad to see you again. And now, I want to know who is the head of the class here?
Me, Miss Komala.
All right, Komala. Is anyone absent today, Komala?
No one absent, Miss. All present.
All right, good. All right, before we start our class, it's good for us to bow our head for a moment to pray according to our respective belief and religion. Pray, start. Pray and Okay, now I want to ask you something. When you operate an ATM machine, what are the steps to withdraw money?
Can I, Miss?
All right, Ita.
Okay, Miss. Thank you for your time. So, when we want to operate ATM machine, there are several steps. The first step is insert your card in the ATM slot, and then the second, select your preferred language, and the third is enter fourth-digit PIN, and fourth is select the service, and five is select the account type, and the six is enter the transaction amount, and the last step is collect the cash deposit. That's all for me, Miss. Thank you.
All right, you're right. That's correct, okay? Uh, Based on my question and Ita's answer, does anyone know what we will learn today?
I think procedure text, Miss.
All right, you're right. We will learn procedure text. Now, here. Does anyone know what is procedure text? Who want to answer?
Can I, Miss?
All right. Priska?
Maybe the text that contain how to make something, Miss.
Okay, it's correct. But procedure text also contain how to operate or use something, okay? Now, here is the explanation of procedure text. Procedure text is a text which aims to explain or help reader on how to make or use something, okay? And now we move to the structure of procedure text. I will wait a minute. The first one is the aim or the goals. The aims or the goal is indicate the purpose of the text. For example, how to make dalgona coffee. And for ingredients or material, explain what material or tools are used to make something in the procedure text. For the example, the ingredients to make dalgona coffee or coffee and sugar. We also need a spoon and warm water. And the next one is step or method. This section contains the step taken to achieve the goal of the procedure text. For example, first was the glass and etc. And now we move to language features of procedure text. The first one is using adverbial of a sequence or using temporal conjunction. For example, first, second, third, and last. Second one is use command or imperial sentence. For example, put the noodles on the blah, 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 cut the onion, wash the tomatoes, and etc. And the third one is using adverbial. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, etc. And the fourth, using action verb. For example, make, take, boil, and cook. And the last one is using simple present tense. For example, boil the egg for 5 minutes, right? Now, we move to the example of procedure text. Here is the procedure text about how to make a mango juice. All right, we can see the ingredients and material and also the steps. And now I want to ask you who want to read this procedure text. Maybe one of you want to read?
Can I, Miss?
All right, Kamala.
Oh, all right, thank you. I will start. How to make a mango juice. The ingredients and materials. 1 or 2 mangoes. Make sure they are ripe enough. And then sugar or honey. This is optional. And then blender. 1 cup water or milk to taste. And then kitchen knife. And then for the step is first cut the mango with a knife and remove the seeds. The second, put the mango flesh into the blender. The third, pour water or milk into the blender. Fourth, to sweeten it, you can also add sugar or honey. And then fifth, blend for about 5 until 10 minutes until all ingredients are perfectly mixed. And then the last one, sixth, pour the juice into a glass and your mango juice is ready to drink. I think that's all, Miss. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Kamala. Great job. You did a good job, okay? And now, everyone, after we learn about the definition, structure, and language function, also the example of procedure text, is there any question?
No, Miss.
No, Miss.
Clear, Miss.
All right, good. It means you all understand the material well, right? And now, to measure your knowledge of the procedure text, I will send you an assignment in Google Classroom after our meeting, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
All right. That's all about our meeting today. I hope you enjoy, learn with me. Thank you for joining the class. Have a good day and see you again. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye,
Thank you.
Miss.
See you.
See
Thank
you.
you.